This is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXD. It is a two-owner van with no accidents reported on the history report. The van runs smooth and quiet. The interior and exterior are very clean. The 17-inch tires are Achilles Touring Sports, and they are brand new. It has a 3.6-liter V6, 6-speed automatic transmission, touring suspension, and a front anti-roll bar. Features include premium seats with suede inserts, power rear sliding doors, power driver seat, stow and go rear seating, power rear liftgate, 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment with CD player, 40 gig hard drive with 28 gig available, Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio, and ParkView rear backup camera, front dual-zone climate control and rear air and heat, power front and rear windows with third-row power vented windows, keyless entry with remote start. Be ready to take the whole family on a Montana adventure in style and have plenty of room for everyone. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.